Fernandez from Goa Women's Forum. Today, 25th November, is a day for International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women, and we have come here to meet with the SP to give him a memorandum with basically with 5 points to say that you know the theme for this day is abuse by abuse being done digitally. So we are actually trying to tell the SP to focus and draw up a plan for creating awareness among women senior citizens, the village children's committee, teachers, so that they can inform all of their students, also elected representatives of municipalities and village panchayats. But the SP was not able to meet us, so we are just standing here for a few minutes to maybe create awareness. We also wanted to remind him that we had given him a copy the day before yesterday about that Osho poster which was promoting, as far as we are concerned, sexual tourism with the theme of Christmas here in Goa. So we weren't able to meet him, but we will take an appointment and meet him maybe in a few days, so that we can impress upon him on the points that we have submitted in our memorandum. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.